In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Vimeo end screen. End screens are a simple way to keep viewers engaged after your video finishes, whether you want to send them to more of your content or simply loop the video. Before we begin, keep in mind that Vimeo's end screen feature is available to premium plans, so if you don't see the options I'm about to mention, double-check your account level or your team permissions. Start by opening Vimeo in your web browser and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Library. This is where all your uploaded videos live. Find the video you want to update and open it by clicking its thumbnail. You'll land on the video's management page where you can adjust settings and presentation. On the left side, locate the interactivity section. Click that and then choose End Screen. This is the control center for what viewers see when your video finishes. From here, select More Videos. Vimeo provides different end screen formats, including options like Loop. Loop will replay your video automatically, which is great for kiosks, events, or background displays. The More Videos option highlights additional content from your account, so viewers can continue watching without leaving your channel. When you choose More Videos, you may see a few layout styles. Pick the one that best fits your goal. Some layouts emphasize a single next up video, while others show a small grid of recommendations. If you want to feature certain videos, make sure they're published and available to your intended audience. Otherwise, they may not appear in the end screen. Use the on-page preview to get a feel for how the end screen will look. It's helpful to check both desktop and mobile views so you know the layout works well across devices. After selecting your format, confirm your changes. Vimeo often saves automatically, but look for a Save or Apply button and click it if you see one, just to be sure. If you don't find the interactivity or end screen options, it likely means your current plan doesn't include them or your role on a team account doesn't have permission to edit interactivity. In that case, review your plan details or reach out to the account owner. To verify everything is working, return to your library, open the video, and let it play to the end to see the new end screen in action. And that's it. You went to Vimeo, opened your library, selected your video, navigated to interactivity, chose end screen, clicked more videos, and picked the format that fits your needs, including loop if you want continuous playback. Your end screen is now set up and ready to keep viewers watching.